Hey everyone, today we're excited to announce a brand new model from Bennington, the M Series. Bennington has taken what has made them a leader in the performance pontoon segment and further modernized and refined it. With sleek, updated styling and an industry-first digital helm, the new M Series is sure to stand apart on the water. Today we're looking at the Bennington 26 MSB. This boat's got the smooth panel, metallic white. It's got the blackout package, so you've got the black railings, the black bimini, black skirting, black rub rail. This boat comes in just over 28 feet. Powered by a Mercury 300 Verado, and on a trailer, it's priced at $125. This boat is beautifully appointed with a Modesto brown interior. You've got recessions in the seating for cup holders, phone holders, and chargers. Moving to the helm, it is an elevated helm, and as mentioned, new on the M Series is the integrated touchscreen displays. You've got all of your ship commands, live engine feed, and GPS literally at your fingertips. This boat is Verado equipped, so it's got the digital throttle and shifting, as well as power steering. Moving to the aft, we've got a crowd favorite swing back aft lounge, front facing, rear facing, and pop-up tandem rumbler seats. So as you can see, this really is a new boat from Bennington from the ground up. If you've got any questions on this boat or anything else in the Bennington lineup, be sure to reach out to one of our 5 locations and come see why Bennington boats sell themselves.